Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Wells Fargo bank account with Zoho Books. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just getting started with Zoho Books and you want to start keeping better track of your financial transactions. Either way, I can speak from experience after having used Zoho Books for well over a year now. It's absolutely fantastic. And even though I'm on the most basic plan, they still help me out with their excellent customer support. So there's not going to be a lot of steps, guys. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, on the left-hand side, what you want to do after logging onto your Zoho Books account is click on Banking. And then from here, we're going to click on Connect Bank/Credit Card. So from here, what you're going to do, you don't see Wells Fargo just yet. Just click on Connect Now. And then click on Proceed. So you're going to check this box in, click on Proceed. And then from here, you're going to see Wells Fargo. So click on Wells Fargo. And then it's just going to tell you that you need to provide the following standard information to Zoho Books. And then click on Continue. And then you're going to log into your Wells Fargo bank app. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Wells Fargo bank with Wave apps. I'm not going to proceed any further than that just because it's pretty self-explanatory. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.